Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter. Today I will show you how to use Android mobile phone as a webcam. There are no any webcam in desktop computer or some laptop also, so we have to purchase it separately and it's a little costly. If we can use our Android mobile phone as a webcam, it will help us to save our money. So this tutorial gonna be very helpful for you, so don't skip this video. Okay, let's begin. First, open a browser which one your favorite, and here search for droidcam client. Open this first link, this one official website, and it's for Windows also. Here just click on download. It's very easy to download. Okay, after download it, then go to your download folder and you can move it in desktop as your wish. Then install the software, double click on it, then next, agree with the terms and conditions, select software allocation, then next, then mark in this pop-up and click on install. Make sure you are connected to internet in installing time, which sometimes for complete installation. Okay, just click on finish and open the software. Now go to your Android mobile phone, then Play Store, and here also search for droidcam. Install this application in your mobile phone. It's very small application, so it will be quickly. After install it, then go to mobile settings and go to developer option. Hope you know how to enable developer option. Turn on developer option and also USB debugging. Scroll down and here is the option. Okay, enable it. Okay, then go to again application and open it. But before it, connect your mobile phone with computer through the USB cable. You can also use Wi-Fi, but today I will use USB cable, and this one is the USB symbol. Okay, select it and finally click on start. Okay, as you can see here, streaming started. As I hold it in my hand, so it's shaking a lot. If you want to place it properly, then you need a tripod or selfie stick. Now you can use this camera as a webcam. One thing important about this software, if you purchase the paid version, then you will get some extra features like zoom in, zoom out. You can also turn on your mobile flashlight from here and many other things. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.